All right, so ready to like really get into this whole affiliate marketing thing in 2024.
Yeah, looking at all the angles,
Yeah,
it looks like you're ready to turn those clicks into some serious cash.
that's the goal, right?
And we've got a ton of info here, from articles to success stories to even some cautionary tales
I love that.
to help us avoid those common pitfalls that everyone falls into.
I think what's fascinating to me is just how diverse the affiliate marketing landscape is in 2024.
Oh, absolutely.
It's not just about like throwing a banner on a website and hoping for the best anymore.
No.
So where do we even start with this deep dive?
Well, I think we should probably start with the foundation.
Okay.
You can't ignore the power of a good blog post or a solid website.
Still relevant in 2024.
Totally.
Wow.
Especially when it comes to SEO, search engine optimization.
Okay, so break that down for me. Like, why is SEO so important for affiliate marketing?
Well, think of it this way. When someone searches for something online, you want your content to be the one that pops up first.
Oh, at the top.
Right at the top. And that's where SEO comes in. By optimizing your website and your blog posts with the right keywords and phrases, you're making it easier for people to find you.
It's like putting a giant sign that says, hey, I have what you're looking for.
Exactly. And the sources offer some great tips on how to do that.
Oh, perfect.
For example, one article suggested focusing on different types of blog posts that really lend themselves to those affiliate links naturally.
Like what?
So think product reviews, comparisons, those best-listicle type articles, even tutorials.
So it's all about providing that value to your readers first
100%.
and then introducing the product naturally.
Right. It can't just be any old review. You have
right.
to go beyond just text links.
Okay.
Make them visually appealing with things like buttons, comparison tables, even resource pages where you can highlight your favorite products and tools.
Oh, like those must-have resources pages.
Exactly.
I love those. They can be a goldmine, especially if you've built up a strong relationship with your audience.
Okay, so we've got blogs and websites covered.
What about that direct connection? Email marketing.
Oh, email marketing is so powerful.
It feels very 2024 still.
It's huge because it gives you that direct line to your audience's inbox.
Yeah.
But just like with anything else, it's not about just blasting out those generic promotional emails.
Right.
You want to build that trust to provide value, and the sources have some great tips on how to do that effectively.
Like what?
Well, one that stood out to me was the idea of using a really compelling lead magnet
Okay.
to entice people to join your email list.
So like what kind of lead magnet are we talking?
Think ebooks, checklists, free courses, anything that provides real value in exchange for an email address.
So it's like a win-win.
Totally. They get something awesome.
Yeah.
And you get to nurture that relationship with them through email.
I love that.
And then once you've got that email list going, you can focus on sending out those regular newsletters packed with helpful tips, exclusive content, and maybe even special discounts.
Speaking of exclusive content, one of the sources actually mentioned something about being very mindful of the rules around affiliate links and emails.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Apparently some affiliate programs and even email marketing platforms have restrictions.
Right. You always want to double check those terms and conditions, make sure you're complying with everything.
Better safe than sorry.
Definitely.
So we've talked about blogs, websites, email marketing. Those feel like the core foundations.
Yeah.
But what about incorporating affiliate links into something that feels a little more interactive,
Okay.
like online courses?
Ooh, online courses are a brilliant strategy.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it was highlighted by several of the sources. Think about it. When someone enrolls in an online course, they're invested in learning from you.
Yeah, they trust you.
They trust you.
Yeah.
And they're looking for guidance.
Totally. So recommending those affiliate products within that context makes a lot more sense than just throwing a random link at them.
Right. It's about providing them with valuable resources that complement their learning. Just remember, transparency is key. Be upfront about those affiliate relationships.
Yeah.
And just let people know that you might earn a commission if they buy through your links.
Makes total sense. Now, what about digital products?
Oh, yeah.
So like ebooks and other downloads.
This is a great way to seamlessly weave in affiliate links.
Okay.
So, for example, if you're writing an ebook about healthy eating, you might include links to your favorite blenders or cookbooks.
It feels like a softer sell than just throwing an ad on your website.
It's all about context and relevance.
Okay. Context and relevance.
Right.
Got it. So we've covered blogs,
Yeah.
emails, courses, digital products. What about video?
Oh, video is huge.
It's everywhere.
It's everywhere, and the sources had some great insight on leveraging those platforms for affiliate marketing.
Okay, let's start with YouTube, still the king of video content.
Oh, for sure.
So how are successful marketers using YouTube to generate affiliate revenue?
You have to create high-quality videos that provide real value to your viewers. So think product reviews, tutorials, unboxing videos, anything that showcases that product in action and answers your audience's questions.
So it's not just about saying, hey, buy this product.
Yeah.
It's about showing the value.
It's about demonstrating the value and helping people make an informed decision.
Got it.
And then once you've created that amazing video content, you have to make sure you're including those affiliate links in a few key places.
Like the description.
The description is prime real estate for those links, but don't forget about pinned comments and even YouTube cards.
I love YouTube cards.
They pop up at just the right moment when the viewer is engaged.
Okay, YouTube feels pretty straightforward. What about TikTok and Instagram stories? Those are known for that short, snappy content. So how do you even fit an affiliate link in there?
That's where things get a little tricky.
Okay.
But one source recommended using those link in bio tools like Linktree.
Okay.
You basically create a landing page with all your important links and then include that Linktree URL in your bio.
So it's like a one-stop shop.
Exactly. And you can even use their short form videos to tease that content on your landing page.
Yeah.
You know, say something like, check out the link in my bio for a full review of this product.
You're piquing their interest and leading them right where you want them to go.
Exactly.
So we've covered blogs, emails, courses, digital products, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram stories. Wow, that's a lot.
It's a lot. Maybe we should take a little pause here
Yeah,
and pick up the rest of these 17 strategies in part 2.
that's good to me.
Okay.
Let's do it.
All right. Okay, so picking up on those 17 strategies, let's talk about one that's often overlooked.
Okay.
Sneaking those affiliate links into YouTube captions.
Wait, really? I haven't even thought about that.
Yeah, a lot of people focus on the video description and they kind of forget about those captions.
Oh, yeah.
But, you know, especially if someone's watching with the sound off, they might be reading those captions closely.
That's true.
So if you strategically mention a product and time it with a clickable link in the captions, that can be super sneaky and effective.
And it feels less intrusive than like a big banner.
Yeah, exactly.
So smart. Okay, so we talked about using video in a bunch of ways. What about audio? How are podcasts and webinars fitting into this affiliate marketing mix?
That's where the power of organic mentions comes in.
Okay.
Weaving those affiliate links naturally into your podcast or webinar content can be super effective.
So it's more about like mentioning a helpful tool or resource and then directing people to the show notes for the link.
Exactly. It feels much more authentic and less salesy.
One of the sources even gave a great example, the Food Blogger Pro podcast.
Oh, yeah.
They give listeners both a verbal mention and a written link for like maximum reach.
Exactly. And think about the longevity of that content, too.
Yeah.
People might discover that podcast episode months or even years later, and those affiliate links will still be working for you.
It's like passive income
It really is.
from your content.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on to something that's always evolving, social media. We briefly talked about TikTok and Instagram stories, but what about the broader landscape? Pinterest, Facebook, even Twitter.
Yeah, social media is kind of a mixed bag when it comes to affiliate marketing.
Yeah.
Each platform has its own little quirks and best practices.
Right.
You know, Pinterest, for example, is a visual discovery platform.
Yeah.
So it's perfect for affiliate marketing.
Because people are actively using it for shopping inspiration.
Exactly. High quality images, relevant keywords, and a clear link to your blog post or product page can work wonders on Pinterest.
But what about those platforms like Instagram and TikTok where you can't just directly link in a post? We talk about Linktree, but are there any other strategies?
Yeah, one source actually suggested getting creative with Instagram stories. You know, if you have a large enough following, you can use that swipe up feature to link directly to a product. And for those who don't have that option yet, there's always that good old link in bio strategy.
Always.
And don't forget about Facebook. You can absolutely include direct affiliate links in your Facebook posts and leverage Facebook pages and groups to reach a more targeted audience.
Okay, but be mindful of those advertising policies.
Always.
And make sure you're disclosing your affiliate relationships.
Transparency is key.
Yeah, no matter what platform you're using.
Definitely.
Okay, now what about forums and online communities like Reddit and Quora?
Oh, those are interesting.
It feels tricky, right? Because people are there for genuine discussions, not to be sold to.
You're right. You've got to tread lightly in those spaces.
Yeah.
Authenticity is paramount. Nobody likes a spammer.
No.
So the focus should be on providing genuine value, answering questions, and building trust within those communities.
So it's more about establishing yourself as a helpful resource, and then if it feels natural, you can suggest a product.
Yeah, exactly. And even then, transparency is crucial. Let people know you're an affiliate and might earn a commission. It builds trust rather than eroding it.
Okay, I like that. So we've talked about weaving affiliate links into a lot of existing content formats.
Yeah.
But what about using them as a way to grow your email list?
Okay.
The sources mentioned lead magnets.
Lead magnets are fantastic.
Okay.
They're a great way to incentivize people to sign up for your email list
Yeah.
and introduce them to those affiliate products.
So how does that work?
So the idea is to offer something valuable for free
Right.
in exchange for their email address.
Okay.
This could be an ebook, a checklist, a template, a mini course, anything that provides real value to your target audience.
So if I have a blog about gardening, I might offer a free checklist called 10 Essential Tools for Beginner Gardeners.
That's a great example.
Okay.
And within that checklist, you could include affiliate links to your favorite gardening tools.
Okay, it feels natural and helpful, not pushy.
Exactly. And because they're already interested in gardening, they're more likely to be receptive to those recommendations.
Makes sense. Speaking of recommendations, the sources also talk about creating dedicated resource pages on your website.
Oh, yeah.
So how do those work for affiliate marketing?
Think of a resource page as like a curated list of tools, products, and services that you genuinely recommend.
Oh, okay.
It's like saying to your audience, here are the things that I personally use and love, and I think you might find them helpful too.
So instead of scattering affiliate links all over your website, you're creating a central hub.
Exactly. And the sources point out that resource pages might not get a ton of organic traffic on their own,
Okay.
but they're perfect for promoting through your email list and social media.
Makes sense. It's like a value-added bonus for your existing audience.
Totally.
Okay, moving on. We've got to talk about push notifications.
Ooh, those little pop-ups.
Yeah, are those effective for affiliate marketing?
They can be.
Okay.
One source highlighted how push notifications are a great way to re-engage people who have already visited your website.
Yeah.
You know, a short, attention-grabbing message that leads them to a product page with your affiliate link can be surprisingly effective.
But it's got to be relevant.
Of course.
You don't want to bombard people.
No segmentation is key.
Okay.
Make sure you're sending targeted notifications based on people's past behavior on your website.
So if someone's been browsing my articles about dog training,
Yeah.
I might send them a push notification about a new dog training course with my affiliate link.
You got it. You're providing them with value and offering a solution to a problem they've already shown interest in.
Smart. Okay. What about guest posting? How does that fit into all of this?
Guest posting is a brilliant strategy for expanding your reach and leveraging other people's platforms to get your message in front of a new audience.
I like that.
The key is to find websites and blogs that align with your niche
Right.
and have a strong, engaged readership.
So I'd be essentially becoming a contributor to their platform, sharing my expertise and weaving in those affiliate links naturally.
Exactly. And the sources pointed out that guest posting also has SEO benefits.
Oh, really?
Yeah, those backlinks from reputable sites are like gold for boosting your own website's search engine rankings.
So it's a win-win.
It really is.
You reach a new audience and you get an SEO boost.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. Okay, before we move on, can we circle back to the idea of banners?
Yeah.
I know they've been around forever,
Yeah.
but the sources seem to think they still have a place in the affiliate marketing world.
You're right. They might seem a little old school,
Yeah.
but they can still be effective when used strategically.
Okay.
The key is to choose those visually appealing banners that align with your content and place them where they'll get noticed, but without being intrusive.
Not that flashing, blinking banner
Yeah.
at the top of the page.
Exactly. And one source even pointed out that banners can actually perform better than standard display ads.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because they come with that implicit recommendation from someone your audience already trusts you.
That's a good point. Okay, I'm ready to dive into something a little more cutting-edge, live shopping.
Ooh, live shopping.
The sources mentioned that it's a big trend in 2024.
Live shopping is basically QVC for the digital age.
Okay.
It's all about leveraging the power of real-time video to showcase products and interact directly with potential buyers.
So it's like a virtual shopping experience where you can ask questions, see the product in action, and make purchases on the spot.
Exactly. And platforms like TikTok Shop, Amazon Live, and even Instagram Live are making it easier than ever to create these really engaging live shopping experiences.
So cool. One source mentioned the importance of showcasing the product in a way that really resonates with your audience.
Yeah.
So if you're selling fashion, maybe you do a try-on haul or style the pieces in different ways to show their versatility.
That's a great example. It's all about bringing those products to life
Yeah.
and making people feel like they're a part of that experience.
Okay, last but not least, we have to talk about QR codes.
QR codes.
I've seen those little square barcodes popping up everywhere.
They're making a comeback.
Yeah.
And one source suggested using them creatively for affiliate marketing.
Okay, how so?
So think about printing them on product packaging, business cards, even flyers.
Huh?
You know, someone sees your product at a craft fair, scans the QR code, boom, they're on your website ready to buy.
That's amazing. It's like a magic portal between the physical and digital worlds.
It really is. And with dynamic QR codes, you can actually track those scans and see which placements are performing best.
Oh, wow.
So you can constantly refine your strategy.
We've covered so much ground in this episode.
We have 16 strategies down.
We have one more key strategy to uncover.
All right.
So I think it's time to move on to part 3 of our deep dive.
Let's do it.
Okay, so we made it to the final stretch of our affiliate marketing deep dive.
We did it.
16 strategies down, from the foundations of blogs and email marketing to like some seriously creative tactics, like QR codes and sneaking links into YouTube captions. What's that 17th strategy that the sources keep hinting at?
This last one might sound a little counterintuitive,
Okay.
but it's all about shifting your mindset from just promoting other people's products to creating and promoting your own digital products.
Ooh, now that's interesting. I've always been intimidated by that idea.
I get it.
So tell me, why is this such a powerful strategy for affiliate marketing?
Well, one of the articles explained it really well. They said it's like building your own little ecosystem.
Okay.
Imagine creating an ebook, a course, a membership site, even just like a killer downloadable resource that your audience is going to crave.
Okay, I'm following so far, but where do the affiliate links come in?
So within that valuable content that you created, you can seamlessly weave in those affiliate links for products and services that complement your teachings.
So for example, let's say I create an online course about photography.
Okay.
I could recommend specific cameras,
Yeah.
lenses, editing software, even workshops that I genuinely believe in.
Exactly, because you're the creator of that product, you have complete control over the messaging, the branding, the whole experience.
Yeah, you're building even deeper trust with your audience and positioning yourself as like a true authority.
Yes, and think about the passive income potential too.
Ooh,
Once you create that product, it can essentially sell itself
love that.
while you focus on other things.
Okay, I'm seeing the appeal. It's like creating a valuable asset that keeps on giving.
Exactly. And you can even promote other people's products within your own digital products. So it's like this multi-layered revenue stream.
Wow, my mind is officially blown. So as we wrap up this epic deep dive into the 17 best ways to promote affiliate links in 2024, what's the key takeaway?
Affiliate marketing is about so much more than just slapping a banner on your website and hoping for the best.
It's not 2005 anymore.
No, it's about building those genuine relationships, providing real value, and becoming a trusted resource.
I love that it's about building a sustainable business that's based on authenticity and helpfulness.
Yes, find what resonates with your audience and prioritize transparency and ethical practices.
Couldn't have said it better myself. I feel like this deep dive has given our listeners so many actionable insights
I hope so.
to take their affiliate marketing to the next level.
It's been a pleasure exploring these strategies with you.
Likewise, and to our listener, we'd love to hear what strategies you're most excited to try. Let us know in the comments, and happy marketing.